Alright, people, what's up? So today, today I'm making UI. So as you can see, it's the game that I'm making. So I just wanted to make UI now, so that we can, so that players can kind of take items. So now, in order to do that, we just need to create a new UI here. So it's very like complicated scripts. But here we go. I'll say this is like what should I say this? Maybe this is inventory, right? Maybe this is inventory. Even okay, what's up, people? Wait. What should I name this? Hmm. Uh wait. We'll have to name this quick. Inventory, right? Okay. Got inventory UI. Okay. So this is where player is gonna like take their items. So that means you need to create button and a button right here. I'm gonna say this like, yeah, I have an idea. I'm gonna make inventory here. Okay, maybe shop is here. Huh. Maybe I should make like button like this. I just need to make sure it doesn't interfere gameplay. Yeah, maybe like this. And it should be a little. Okay, let's see. This is inventory button. Right. Now we're gonna change the text and call it inventory and make this rich text. And I'm gonna make the scaled. Maybe that's too big. Not scaled. Inventory. That is fine. So I'm gonna make UI corner, and then I'm gonna choose this UI corner. Okay, maybe I should make this like here, I think. Okay, maybe I think that's too huge, but alright. Okay, that's inventory. We just need to make something else. Alright. I'm gonna change color of this. Not the color. We need some borders. Yeah, I have a UI design idea that is gonna fit well. Text. Okay. Text stroke. It's white. Okay. Okay, maybe that's opposite. Okay. That is cool. Okay, that's a little hard to see. So I think I'm gonna just I should just align like that. Then left to right. So where is font? Font interface. Nope, that's not the font I want. Inventory. Well, I mean that looks just a little bit weird. I need to make the text little because that is too large. Yeah, text size just can't be like that. And I need to add some borders around it. Oh yeah, and just it's very interesting. What if I make this like something else? Yeah, what about 9? And okay, that's a little friendly. I don't know where the heck I'm supposed to like get the outline. That's weird. Okay, I should just use this. Appearance style editor. Right, I'm gonna use this. Create design. Alright. What is this? I never used this before. Okay. I I never used this type of thing, but I'll just do it in my own way. Or color. Should I make this like that? Oh, that's That's actually interesting. What about 10? With the maximum is just 1. What about 20? Oops. Right. We made our little inventory box. So there are no attributes. It's just the raw data. Huh. Oh, yes. UI stroke. Gonna add that. Forgot about that. Okay. Okay, I need to apply it on border. Yes. Just like that. And what about make this? So like that. It's a little cleaner. Okay. That's a bit cleaner. Wait, make inventory. Maybe I should make the inventory right here. And maybe I should make a shop as well. Right. I I'll call this uh shop UI. Yeah, that's reasonable call for this. So user is gonna hover over this. That works. Alright, I'm gonna now call this shop. That's right. Need to make folder, inventory folder. Put this here. Folder shop UI folder. Put the button in there. And I need to separate these both. Right. Name this text shop. Alright, that's good. Now we got our things down. Right, I'm gonna change the color of this. I'll change this stroke. Maybe, maybe, maybe something like this. But just if doesn't feel like it's good enough. Oh, what should we do with this? All right. Green. No, that looks weird. Okay, shop. All the shops look like. Uh, let's. Okay. Right. Maybe this is not blue. This should be. All right. Hello, Lena. Okay. I'm just, making my games things. Okay. Uh, it's fine if it's just in inner layer. Alright, that's shop inventory. And yeah, we got buttons done. Now what we're gonna do is frame. Now this is frame. This frame has this huge display. So this is our shop frame. This is where when player clicks on it, where shop is gonna look like. So I don't really wanna like take over entire screen. I just need to make sure it doesn't take too much space. All right. Now I'm gonna call this shop frame. And I can change also its UI corner and maybe like 10, 1. Oops, never mind. That's worse than I thought. 0.0 and 8.1. That looks sort of friendly. Yeah, that looks very. Right, so we got our fundamentals done. Oh, yeah, I should make like gray UI for the player screen, so it would look very kind of better. But now the thing is, I think it's too dark. Yeah, that looks well. That's right. So this is our shop, and this is where our items will look like. So like the player can choose their ability and everything. But for now, I'll just make this invisible. But let me just put it on there. Right now, this is our inventory frame. Now this is where our, maybe this should, yeah, okay, I'd just rather maintain consistency. That's right. So first things first, I'm gonna now scale this. Scale, scale, and scale, and shop is also scaled, both scaled. All right, which is good. Now let me try it on different devices. Oops. That seems like I need to adjust that text scaled. All right. That means I need to set the text button scaled. scaled. But it should be like, oh, no. That's not what I wanted. But that's just too big, man. It's just too big. How should I make this like uh responsive for the okay, it's scaled, but I need to make this size. Oh, okay. So I'll just do this. And the inventory also scaled, but I just want like consistency of this, but it just looks weird. Just looks very weird. Oh no, it shouldn't happen. Alright. Scaled size. Oh no. Round. Syntax. What is that? Alright, anyways. No. I don't think that's good. Maybe I should just make a text inside here because it just looks very weird. Just make the button and then make the text because that's way better. Alright, that means I just need to hide text. No text. And the text. No text. Right. I want to make exact size with this. Make it. Okay. That's what I wanted. Now, I'm gonna put right, I need to background transparency. Oh, there we go. Text shop. Now this is scaled. Now that's way better. That's way better than I thought. Alright, we're gonna do same for the button, but we're gonna call this text inventory. Yes, that's what I wanted. Yes, sir. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna call this inventory text. Shop button text. Now I might just need to make them scaled. All right, that's cool. Now let's try it on other devices. See what did I told you guys? It looks way better on devices because they can. Now the problem with this is only comes with when they playing the game, they might interfere. So I just need to fix that. Like when they play the game, I don't want them to like uh kind of. So I'll just put this little up here. Okay. Shop inventory. That looks good. Right now I just need to make them also again scaled. So why it looks so thin? It looks so thin, man. Alright, we made scales. Okay, now let's try it on our devices. That's right, they can move now free and they can play the game without any problems. Alright, so now we just made our buttons. Now let me see what frames looks like. Alright, this is inventory. Maybe this should be like little like this, right? On mobile devices. That's fine. As long as it also looks good on PC. So there's gonna be little shop frame. Or we got both frames. Now we just need to make the we just need to get out of here. Alright, that's fine. Now I just need to make them scaled again, just in case. Now we just need to make our UI with exit button, just close button. Now to add another button that is yeah, it should be like right. Close shop. And then UI's corner. Oh no, it's not what I wanted. Yeah, I'm gonna make this next. Oh no, no. Next. and X scale throw. The we're gonna make, what is that? I forgot. Yep, the color. Okay, that's a little comfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna add the UI stroke. All right. Oh, right. Close inventory. I did a bunch of things. I think. Yes, that's responsive. Right. Or they can play the game. That's no problem. Just very good. So now, okay. Now I just need to script a lot. Oh, okay, here goes nothing. Visible. Alright. Or let me just test it first. How does it look like? Alright, that's very reasonable amount. Also, I forgot about one thing. This gain value is very, it should be here. Alright, now let me see. There we go. Yo, why is it happening? Hold on. I have problems with shift lock. I'm gonna test this out on the Roblox. Let me see if this is having problems with an actual thing. I don't have any problems when shift lock, so that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So it was just the problems with the tester. Now time to script. Now we need to script UI here. Now I need to script game Then make a folder called shop UI, and we're gonna run the local script. Then we're gonna have a bunch of things. Shop, and it's gonna be a lot of things. Right. Now we need to define everything we have. I'm gonna just reuse my code. I don't wanna don't want to repeat myself again. Alright. So I'll learn how to make tables when every time player like swaps to UI. So I don't need this. Okay, I do need this actually. We're working with the games. I need to make two separate things actually. Oh yes, this okay. This is shop. And the shop is click. That's gonna be very different things. Alright. So that's why we need game. Third is my shop here. Right now I need to define what's inside here. It's like all of them. Local shop UI folder equals. This shop UI, shop UI, energized, shop 8. It's coming from player, and then going through player GUI, shop GUI, shop UI folder. Local shop frame, shop GUI folder, shop frame, shop button. Okay, got things right. And now there is shop close button. Local shop close button equals shop frame. Wait for child. Close shop button. Okay. Now we just need to do something like shop button dot mouse one button click. Then I have something like shop frame visible was not visible. No. This is not default, not visible. So we're fine with that. Aside here, we have shop close button dot mouse one click, then we are gonna do this. Let me test this out. Let me see the output. What is the output? It's just showing nothing. That's very weird. Still not showing it. Did I define correctly? Shop frame is true. But then after it's clicked, then it's going to be false. And shop pause button click true as well. Oh, there we go. Now we just made our shop. Like this is a shop, man. And we can choose our items from here. But I want that just a little bit because it looks just so weird. Okay. It's a shop. Fine. Okay. I want to look at this. So you want your things. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let me test it on. I can't test it on device emulator. Test it on mobile. How does it look like? Alright, start. So it doesn't really interfere with the game, which is what I wanted. Hold on. Why is it still printing that alright, I don't need that total amount of is printing everything. Right. Right, database. To handle this database. Words. Where is that print? Okay. Alright, that's fine. That's normal. Script on the inventory. Okay. Now should take all of this and then paste it here, but we don't need. Just need to define a shop UI, inventory, or folder, or a frame, inventory frame. I don't need to change that one. Alright, just like that, we just need to replace same script. And just not shop button, it's Tory button. Okay, here we go. Just make UI. Let's go. Alright, since we have the abilities, yeah, I need to learn how to make to do. Right, we need some cool things. Just need people's data so each users can see what abilities they have owned. So I gotta check something. So we are handling UI everything. But the thing is, I need to make now like placeholders. Let's see this real quick.
Welcome back to my Roblox GUI tutorial series. My name is Braldev, and in this frame,
Okay.
they have the items are not page, so then it just continues down here, and the process just repeats itself. And there are a lot of ways that we can customize this as horizontal, but we can change this to vertical so that it starts.
Oh, so I have to add UI grid layout inside both of these. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh yes, by the way, uh, when player clicks on here, visible, they gotta they gotta see where it's um whether it's they are choosing. I should make another button. Abilities scaled. No. I'll just make text instead. Text, nothing. Scaled. Background, transparency, just like that. I'll say this is abilities. So abilities itself will show different kind of things as well. Wait, what? Scaled is turned off. You should turn it off. Right? For now, I'll just take this out. Should be little. Sup, bro? How's your day? Okay, I'll make another button that is skins. Right, I should make this little structure another folder. Sub button. I mean, not sub button. This is inventory buttons. And then I should put all of this inside here with skins. Gray shirts, yeah? What do you mean? Anyways, we're gonna make this like maybe like this. Let's just copy this thing. Okay, this is abilities. This is yeah, that's interesting way to show. What is this? This is the text. It's just what I wanted. It should belong here. Yeah, it should delete this. Alright, fine. I'll make first here. Text. Background. Column. Why am I making buttons again? It's like button, bro. Oh no, no, no. Okay. Alright, I need to separate these. I think it's UI should be separate. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Then maybe right here. And then it just goes down. Next label. That's background. Next. abilities. Scaled. All right. I'll make the text white. Plus transparency. We don't need that. So now we have entire things here that is um like this. Okay. And now all I need to do is like want to adjust some of here. All right. Don't mind my background noise gauge. It's something. Okay. Um, Scaled. Where is the actual thing? That's weird. Talking about borders, but that's just not showing for some reason. Huh. Okay, there we go. Inner. And just like that. Right, I think I should just call this something else. Or maybe just the default. right round. Scans. Next. Scans. We got some inventory stuff here. And now each of them has their own frame. I think I should place this sort of down here. I think they are too. Abilities, frame. Oh, there's so many constraints. All right, let me get the frame color. I want same color still, but I should just make a little bit different thing. This is where our ability is gonna be. So I'm gonna add some, maybe like grid layout.
It's like setting where it starts. So instead of top
So when I put the grid layout,
left, we can do
horizontal, vertical, it should go down like this. Or yeah, maybe horizontal, maybe like this.
something like top right, where
All right, I'll just test this out. How should it look like?
it goes from right.
Okay. All right, buttons should like, they should go like that. Yep. So it's kind of interesting. And then we'll go like this. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. But I want some adjustments. If I made it vertical, it would look like this. But it's horizontal. Oh no, what happened? 2, 3. Okay. There's no limits. We should start from top left. Bottom, center, top, center, left. Okay. Or I need to adjust little padding here. If that's too little space. Plus 6. And 15. Right, 16. 6.5. Now 17. Wait for above, it should be 15. Yes. There we go. Yeah. Alright, gang, I'm gonna finish it here. And I'll meet you guys later.